Good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We are going to talk about today, which is pretty quiet, and we're going to talk about the weekend, which is not quiet at all. In fact, there's a chance of severe weather in parts of Michigan for this weekend. So we'll talk about that. And of course, as always, you can ask questions if you got something going on today or this weekend. I will try to answer those questions for you. Here is the current radar, and right now the only thing you're seeing is a few showers up through the Gaylord area toward the tip of the mitt, and then also across the UP. Otherwise, things are dry. And remember, when you see these circles of what looks to be rain on a radar that doesn't move, that's actually just moisture in the air. So it does look like a pretty quiet day, a dry day, and we can even get some sunshine too. Hey, good morning, Dee Ann Somerset, and Eric Young, and Judy Dahl, and Dee Stutt. This is the radar forecast for today. We'll go through it, and you can see those isolated showers kind of collapse. And as we go through the day, we're at 6 o'clock and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have a dry day, but you do see what's forming out here. Yes, that is snow. Some of it will head toward the UP, but generally the stuff that's coming for the weekend has a little bit of a warming trend with it. So it's really just rain for most places, with maybe the exception of the far back western part of the UP at the initial start of it. And of course, it's hard to have severe weather if you're talking about snow. Yes, TGI Friday. Weather for football tonight should be dry just about everywhere. And then we'll look at the temperatures. It will be on the cool side. These are the high temperatures today. So Detroit, Ann Arbor, looking at about 47, 45-ish. Lansing, Jackson, also Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Benton Harbor, St. Joe, Grand Rapids, Saginaw Valley, Saginaw, Flint, Bay City, Midland, around 44. Northern Michigan, Traverse City. Oh yeah, I comb my hair. I don't brush my teeth though before I go live because it doesn't matter to you. Then I eat some breakfast and then I brush my teeth, okay? And you're in a world of hurt, I hate to tell you, if you're already tired of gloomy days, because that's what winter is in Michigan. And then across the UP, temperatures in the mid-30s in the eastern part of the UP, low 30s in the western part of the UP. So it is a chilly day. And hey, I can even give you a look at football time. So someone asked about Friday night football, and it's low 40s in the southern half of the state, and mid-30s in the northern, lower, and at freezing in the UP. So it is definitely a chilly night for football, but it will be a dry night. Yeah, a little bit of shaky hands. Okay, so then the next thing to talk about, whoa, severe weather chance. This is what the Storm Prediction Center is thinking for Sunday. They have what's called a marginal and slight risk in Michigan, an enhanced risk just to the south, and then put it into percentage perspective. They give you a 15% chance of severe weather in the southern third of the state, say from about Flint, Grand Rapids southward, 5% north of that to Saginaw, Mount Pleasant, and then heading south, a 30% chance. And this black hatched area is the possibility of significant severe weather, and they're talking about significant large hail possible with this one. So if you're driving south and you got the good fancy car, you may want to watch out for that. We'll keep an eye on that for you, and of course I'll check in with you if we are going to get severe. Let's go into the weekend and let you know how things are going to go. So we're at Saturday morning. Precipitation starting across northern lower. Hey, good morning, Millington. How about some more weather news on Houghton as well? Many of us have kids go to Michigan Tech there. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, it's going to be rainy. It's going to be colder there with some snow, but nothing that's appreciable right now. This is Saturday afternoon, and a large area of rain developing. Saturday evening, that area moves off. Sky is cotton candy pink all the way around this morning. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailors take the morning. It's one of those sayings I do not like because I don't think it works very often. Now this is Sunday morning, sunrise, and we are in a little dry wedge, but then we go into early afternoon and then early evening, and this is where the low pressure center's there, cold front coming down here, and the storms ahead of it. And if not stormy, at least it will be fairly rainy, and then that will continue to increase. This is late Sunday evening, overnight Sunday, and heavy rain, and then it moves on to the south, and actually next week looks fairly quiet. So today's your day to get the yard work done, because you have a dry day with some sunshine, not super warm. And then we have 2 bouts of rainfall coming across Michigan, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. The bout on Sunday could have thunderstorms with severe thunderstorms in far southern Michigan, and we will keep an eye on that for you. Okay? Have yourself a great weekend if I don't talk to you, but I'll try to check in, especially if the weather's going to get nasty. Bye, friends.